this episode of DNA fingerprinting, we'll be analyzing a crime scene using a crime scene evidence and comparing that to the victim and potential suspects. So a group of friends and family have gone for a vacation. Their first trip was to take a hike in the mountains. When the group finally reached the cliff after the hike, one person slipped and fell off the cliff. When the body was found, a handprint was found on the victim's clothing. DNA samples were taken from each person in the group to be analyzed at two loci. At locus A, there are two alleles which will be compared to the victim and each suspect. If we look at the victim, both of their alleles do not match up with the unknown evidence, so we can exclude them. Suspect 1 only has one allele that matches with the unknown evidence, so we can exclude them. Suspect 2 also has only one allele that matches with the unknown evidence, so we can also exclude them. Suspect 3 does not have any of the alleles that match with the unknown evidence, so we can exclude them as well. And suspect 4 has both matching alleles with the unknown evidence, so they can be a potential suspect. At locus B, here are the two alleles of the unknown evidence. We can see that the victim does not match any of the unknown evidence, so we can exclude them. Suspect 1 also does not match any of the alleles of the unknown evidence, so we can exclude them as well. Both alleles of suspect 2 match with the unknown evidence, so they can be a potential suspect. Suspect 3 does not have any matching alleles with the unknown evidence, so we can exclude them. Both of the alleles of suspect 4 match with the unknown evidence, so they can also be a potential suspect. From locus A, we found that the only potential suspect was suspect 4. And from locus B, we found that suspect 2 and suspect 4 were potential suspects. So because suspect 2 is excluded from locus A, we can conclude that suspect 4 is the main perpetrator. Notice that suspect 3 is a parent of suspect 1 because they share at least one allele at each loci. And this is because a child receives at least one allele from each parent.